What's up, YouTube? We back with another video, and today is the day the parts just landed. We got the fuel pump in, just got delivered. We got everything set up, putting the table to use already. I'm about to unbox it and then start taking the interior panel. We're just taking the seat off so we can get access to it, and then swap it in and out, and hopefully that fixes the issue, fingers crossed. Well, yeah, let's jump right into it and I'll pick you guys back up. Got it unboxed, brand new. Shout out to Rock Auto, they got me it super quick. Everything looks good. Alright, so we got the seat up, and I think it's safe to say that this fuel pump has never been changed, just by going off of how caked on the dirt and whatever else it is. Like, I don't know if the camera picking it up, but it's bad up under here. But yeah, it ain't take too long. It only took about like 10-15 minutes for me to get the seat out and all that, just because I ain't never did it before, but it wasn't too hard. So if you guys ever doubt yourself about doing something, just go for it. Oh yeah, we're gonna get it swapped out, and then hopefully we'll be able to drive it. Alright, so we got everything back together, got the seat put in, and yeah, let's see if it start up. Alright, that's a good sign. Pump working. Yes, sir. Sounds healthy. Now it does. Well, the previous owner told me that it had an issue with the transmission, possibly, so we're gonna see what that is. But so far everything is checking out. Simple fix, the fuel pump. Only took probably what, 30 minutes or so to swap it out, and yeah, we got a running car now. I like how easy that it's been going so far. Hopefully it continues to go easy. Already started kinda cleaning the floor. It was a big brown spot right here. Got that up. Still gotta go over it a little more. There's like a couple spots here and there. Seat's not bad. The back ones definitely need it, cause a little spot right there. But yeah, you can't really beat that. And we got some AC. Can't really beat that for $500. As you can see, after messing with it for a little while, we got it running and driving. It still has a little issue with the transmission, something like with shifting. I cleaned all 3 of the solenoids. Nothing was odd or anything. no dirt or any like sludge, anything came out when I sprayed cleaner in it. I'm on my second oil change for the transmission, so seeing if that helps. I'm gonna drive it for like 10-15 minutes and then come back and check it, see how it is. But so far, I mean, it's driving good. It's just the taking off is real slow. So I don't know, hopefully we can get it figured out. I mean, even if I don't get it figured out, I mean, I'll still probably end up throwing a transmission in it, because you can probably find one of those for cheap. So yeah, but let me know what you guys think. Let me know what kind of videos you want to see with the CR-V or the Evo. I just got the Evo back. I'll probably start the video on that tomorrow, because we're getting ready for cruise week. We're gonna be going down to Ocean City, see what's going on down there. I haven't been down there since H2O, the very last one. And if you know anything about H2O, that's all I'm gonna say about that. Hopefully it ain't like that. From what I've seen, mostly like classic cars, and I know like some of the imports and stuff are finally getting involved with it. So we're gonna see what it's hitting on. Haven't been down there in a while, so I'm curious to see if anything changed. But that's gonna be it for today's video. Make sure you drop a like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, stay tuned for the next one, because we definitely gonna be dropping them. Quick little turnaround of the CR-V. Not bad. I definitely like it though. But catch you guys on the next one.